Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Dear students, welcome to Biology online classes. We have seen in the previous video sessions about the broader scope of science, that is combination PCMB. We have seen what are the broader scopes for the subject biology. In connection to that, in today's session, let us see what are the further broader perspectives of biology with relation to courses after 12th biology, professional courses in BSc, in Bachelor of Science. We are going to see what are the scopes in different areas of Bachelors of Science, that is agricultural science, horticulture, veterinary science, forestry, biotechnology, biochemistry, microbiology, food processing industries, and allied biological sciences. Okay, so let us discuss, and in our next session, that is in our next video session, we will see what are the broader prospectus in biology. Dear students, welcome to Biology online classes once again. Myself, Mr. Mauneshwar, lecturer in biology. I will introduce now the scope of biology, the continued part. Okay, the BSc courses, which gives you a guaranteed job and good jobs after graduation, which includes first one, BSc in agriculture. So the courses mentioned in this list are non-saturated or less saturated. It means that relatively less number of students opts for these courses. This means that competition in the job market is remarkably less. It also means that the demand and supply gap of qualified professionals is not filled up. As a result, graduates having completed these courses will get good jobs relatively easily. So, BSc Agriculture related to all stuff, aim of this job or course is to take to agriculture from a scientific point of view, learning more about agriculture systematically so that productivity can be improved. Next, coming to BSc in horticulture. So horticulture means it deals with the cultivation of plants and all its related aspects. This course is all about studying this field scientifically, aiming to use science to make the whole process much more productive. Next, coming to BSc in veterinary science, BVSc. In common man's terms, it is all about becoming animal's doctor. Looking for a scientific point of view, this course deals with training a person to diagnose and treat the diseases that affects animals. Next, coming to BSc Forestry, a course that is overlooked by many students, but they surely are ignoring the true potential of this course. Job opportunities in the government sector is mouth-watering when it comes to this particular course, that is forestry. Next, coming to BSc in biotechnology. Upon completing this course and following up the post-graduation in the same subject, one can build a thriving career in research and development field. Also, landing jobs in MNCs, that is multinational companies, becomes easy with the above mentioned qualification. Next comes BSc in biochemistry. This field is related to the study of chemicals and processes that are directly related to living organisms. Just like the previous entry, this course also promises a good job in the research sector. If a student goes on to successfully complete the graduation as post-graduation in this particular field. Next, coming to BSc in microbiology. If it is a research job that you are interested in, then this course can be helpful to you. Graduation followed by post-graduation will certainly help you bag a research-related job. You may also take up a teaching job, that is job of a professor after completing those courses. Next, coming to BSc in food quality assurance. Food is one of the basic necessities of mankind. With the rapid advancements in the field of technology, food manufacturing and processing also has seen big revolutions. This course is all about food processing, storage and quality assessment. Job opportunities are available in the form of private food manufacturing companies, government jobs, etc. Next, coming to BFSC, that means Bachelor's in Fisheries Science. The fisheries industry is seeing a rise each year. The consumption is increasing each year, but slowly the supply and demand gap is increasing. The aim of this field is to use scientific methods to improve the scenario and give fisheries sector a boost. Job prospects like the previous entries is good when it comes to this course also. So, thank you students. These are some of the vast scopes you can go after your +2 exams with the PCMB combinations. Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.